And well, 17 rape cases in less than a month in Haryana, but the response of the state's political leadership has been absolutely shocking. In fact, Om Prakash Chautala has suggested lowering the marriage age to prevent crime. And in fact, a former chief minister speaking the language of medieval cops has now sparked a huge outrage.
15 rape incidents in 1 month. It's a shocking statistic, but the former Chief Minister of Haryana seems to have a bizarre solution to end it.
लोगों ने अपनी छोटी छोटी बच्चियों की शादियां इसलिए तय कर दी थी ताकि कोई जालिम तुम्हारे घर से बच्ची को उठा करके ना ले जाए। उसके दृष्टिगत अपनी इज्जत बचाने के लिए आपने अगर ये निर्णय लिया है तो मैं समझता हूँ ये एक अच्छा निर्णय है।
And after the bizarre comment came the brazen defense of the medieval logic.
प्रेस के लोगों ने उनसे आकर के मिलकर के पूछा था कि खाप पंचायत की तरफ से लोगों ने एक फैसला किया है और उन्होंने कहा है कि हरियाणा प्रदेश के अंदर अगर बच्चियों को सुरक्षित रखना है, अगर महिलाओं को सुरक्षित रखना है घरों में, तो फिर हमें ये उम्र 18 वर्ष की बजाय 15 वर्ष कर लेनी चाहिए ताकि कल को हम अपनी बच्चियों को सुरक्षित अगले के घर में पहुंचा सकें।
Do you think the cops, there should be action against the cops?
But facing straight questions from your channel, Chautala's medieval logic falling apart.
Ab suniye. See, this is the problem with in our country.
I am not shocked and I am not surprised with the comment of Mr. Chautala because he belongs to the same clan. It proves his mental IQ.
Om Prakash Chautala's backing of the cops' absurd ideology drawing all-round criticism.
And if one goes by these statements of the CAP as well as whoever else is saying, then someone else is going to, the next statement is going to be, well now, 16 years is not enough, we might as well confine them at home. Going by that logic. So where does it end? You can't keep regressing.
Mr. Chautala doesn't seem to realize that there is more abuse within child marriage than perhaps outside it, apart from the fact that girls are being denied all kinds of freedoms when they get into child marriage.
But the response from most political parties has been muted.
What is the Congress party doing on it? What is your Haryana Youth Congress doing on it? Why don't you hit the streets and say we'll carry out anti-CAP agitation?
We have hit the streets also against the CAPs recently. Haryana Youth Congress has also done a program against this.
No, so what are you going to do going forward?
I think these things which have been said by the Khap Panchayat, I think action should be taken against them.
This is all political drama what Sonia did yesterday. Why did she go yesterday? Because elections are happening in Himachal and Gujarat. 14 rapes have happened in just 1 month. She went to one place. It's a political thing because she wants to take political mileage.
Instead of safeguarding our women, can we hide behind this bizarre logic? And can we afford to be helpless when the rate of rape incidents in Haryana, and hold your breath, has risen by 873% per year since 1971? Shouldn't the political class think beyond vote bank politics? Bureau Report, Times Now.